Students, now we are going to talk about coordinating conjunctions. But before we talk about coordinating conjunctions, let's review a bit about conjunction. Okay, we know that there are three types of conjunction. The first one is coordinating conjunction. The second one is correlative conjunction. And the third one, subordinating conjunction. In today's material, we only focus on coordinating conjunction. What are coordinating conjunction? We know that there are 7 coordinating conjunctions, and we call it, or we shorten it as fanboys. There is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Before we see the example of each coordinating conjunction, now let's discuss about the function of coordinating conjunction. Because the name is conjunction, of course the function is to connect words. They can be used to connect 2 words, to connect phrases, and to connect 2 clauses. Now let's see which conjunction that we can use to connect words and phrases. For connecting words and phrases, we can use the conjunction and, nor, but, or, and yet. Now I will give you some examples here. The first one, she is a planner. An executor. And coordinating conjunction and in this sentence connect a planner and an executor. Both of them are noun. Another example. We were tired but happy. What is the coordinating conjunction in this sentence? Yes, the coordinating conjunction in this sentence is but, and it connects tired and happy. Both are adjective. Okay. Now if we use coordinating conjunction to connect only words or phrases, they are still categorized as simple sentence. Do you still remember what simple sentence is? Yes, simple sentence is a sentence that consists of one independent clause. Independent clause, it could be one subject, one verb, or 2 subject and 1 verb, or 1 subject and 2 verb, or 2 subject and 2 verb. In these sentences, they only have 1 subject and 1 verb. That is why they are called as simple sentences. Okay? Before we talk about the conjunctions or coordinating conjunction which can be used to connect words and phrases. Now let's see what are the conjunction that can be used to connect clauses. Basically, all of this conjunction can be used to connect clauses, but there are 3 coordinating conjunctions that can be used to connect clauses only. They are, the first one is for, second one nor, and the third one so. Do you understand what I mean? So if you use an, it means and can be used to connect words, phrases, and clauses. But it is different with for. It is only used to connect clauses, not phrases or words. Now let's look at the example. The first one, he may be wealthy, for he can buy everything he wants. The meaning of for here is the same as because. So it has different meaning where I give it for you. For in that sentence is a proposition, but for coordinating conjunction means because, to give the reason. So in this sentence, he may be wealthy, for he can buy everything he wants. For is used to connect two clauses. The first one, he may be wealthy, and the second one, he can buy everything he wants. Okay, now let's look at the second example. Second example, Danny is arrogant, so nobody likes him. Yeah, it is the same as the previous sentence. So, as the coordinating conjunction is used to connect the first clause, Danny is arrogant, and the second clause, nobody likes him. Now, how about the use of nor? Nor, that's for giving choices, but for negative meaning. Yeah, now let's see this example. Maya hasn't read the chapter, nor has she written the essay. Can you see the difference between this sentence with the two previous sentences? Yeah, the sentence after nor. Now let's look at the clauses or the sentence which are connected by nor. The first clause is Maya hasn't read the chapter. This is a clause 1. And the second clause, has she written the essay? Why the sentence is not she has written the essay as the usual or the common form of sentence? Yeah, we have to put it in the inverted form because there is nor. Nor is considered as negative word. So any sentence coming after negative word should be in the inverted form. Inverted form means verb precede the subject. So you have to put verb first and after that followed by its subject. It's different with the common form of sentence. Common form of sentence is subject plus verb. But for the inverted forms or the inverted sentence, you have to put verb. In this case, is the verb or the helping verb is has, and then the subject after it. Okay. Why? Once again, why we put it in the inverted form? Because this sentence start with the negative word, and nor is one of the negative word. Okay. Now, if this coordinating conjunction connects word and phrases like we discussed before, they are considered as simple sentences because they only have one subject and one verb. But how about these three sentences? Yeah, these three sentences are called compound sentence. Why? Or what is compound sentence? Compound sentence, it is a sentence that consists of two independent clauses. Or we can say independent clauses, or we can say that compound sentence is the combination, or if we combine two simple sentences. But combining two simple sentences into compound sentence, we have to use the appropriate or the correct connectors. So, clause 1 and clause 2, if we connect these two clauses to make a compound sentence, we have to connect it correctly. And the first way to connect these two clauses is by using coordinating conjunction. Don't forget to put comma before coordinating conjunction. In conclusion, coordinating conjunction, there are 7 coordinating conjunction: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. They are used to connect words, phrases, and clauses. Yeah? And, but, or, and yet are used to connect word, phrases, and clauses. But for nor and so are only used to connect clauses. Okay, and then if you use it to connect clauses, and the sentence will be compound sentence because they consist of two independent clauses.